In this video, I'll show you how to upload an Instagram story from your PC or laptop. Instagram does not officially offer a built-in option to create stories on a computer, but there is a simple trick you can use to make it work. First, open Instagram in your web browser. In the top right corner of the browser, click on the three dots, go to More Tools, and then select Developer Tools. If you're using a different browser, you can simply right-click anywhere on the page and choose Inspect. Once the Developer Tools panel opens, find and click the mobile device icon, also called the Toggle Device Toolbar. After clicking it, refresh the page. Now Instagram will load in mobile view. You will see the Create option in the top left corner. Click on the Create icon, select Story, and upload your Instagram story from your PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.